today's cooking video, I'll be making chicken ramen. So first, this is just leftover stuff I didn't eat last night. So I'll be using this chicken. I'll be cutting it into little pieces and I'll be putting it into my ramen and making chicken ramen with it. So I'm just going to cut it up. Into little pieces. I also have some vegetables here. You could make this from scratch as well. That's not a problem. You just need some chicken. You just cook it and then just put it into your ramen. But I'll be putting other stuff in there as well, not just chicken. Make sure you just cut it up into little pieces. Cooked chicken, of course, after you cook the chicken. Those are the vegetables I'll be using. I'll be using other ingredients as well. I'll be using this ramen. It could be any ramen you want to use. It does not matter which brand. I'll be using the vegetable season. The dried vegetables. What I will not be using is this stuff. I won't be using the soup base. That's too much sodium. I'm using that only. So I'll be using this soup base, noodle soup base. Be using some black pepper, garlic salt, and sesame oil, and an egg as well. I'll be using an egg. So I'll show you that next. So I'm going to boil this water for about 3 to 5 minutes. And I'm going to put everything in after. So first I'm going to let the water boil. So I just put in the water and I'm just boiling it now. Okay, the water is boiling. I'm going to put the chicken in there and everything. Stir it like that. Some ground pepper in there. Some salt. Garlic salt. Not going to put too much. Vegetable stuff that came with it, the dried vegetables. Some of the soup base. About a teaspoon of that. Some sesame oil. You could use olive oil if you want. Doesn't matter. I prefer sesame oil. That's just my preference. Just a little bit of that. Not too much. You don't have to use a lot of oil. Gotta mix it. I'm going to put an egg in here also. That's good. Egg. I'm going to stir it like this for about maybe 3 more minutes, and I'll put the ramen in there. Okay, now it's boiling. Now I'm going to put the ramen in there. Cut it in half or something so it goes in more easily. And just stir it in here for another 3 to 5 minutes and it should be ready. That's it. Okay, now it's done. This is how it looks like. Let's see how it tastes like. Tastes pretty good. It's not too salty. So all that ramen, one of my friends got it from somebody he knew at work or something, because his doctor said he couldn't eat ramen because it had too much sodium in it or whatever. So I got all that ramen for free. I didn't pay anything for it. Tastes pretty good. So this is the healthier way to eat ramen. Eating it without the soup base. So that's the egg. So this is how it looks like. It tastes good. You can make one for yourself as well. I'll leave all the ingredients in the video description below. Thanks for watching.